My name is Steve McCarrol. I am one of the Woodworking Warriors here at Sam Buford Woodworking Institute. I served in the Army for 24 years, and upon retirement, I took up woodworking as something to fill my time and build some camaraderie. And here at Sam Buford, I've taken the CNC class. I've also done knife making class and woodworking with epoxy. In high school, I took the woodworking class and generated a little bit of interest. I've got some friends who do it as well and kind of encouraged me to get into it. And last winter, a friend of mine recommended this program here at Sam Buford, and I came by to check it out, really enjoyed it. It's kind of spawned into my own little woodworking business where I create a lot of cutting boards and sell them. And the things I've learned here at Sam Buford have really helped spawn that. And I've got a pretty good Facebook group going, and it's been a lot of fun for me up to this point. My favorite class I've taken at Sam Buford Woodworking Institute would have to be the knife making class. I made a kitchen knife with a Bacote and yellow heart handle. It's just something I really enjoyed doing. It was different from what I've been normally doing. It's a class I definitely plan on doing again, but next time I'll probably do it with my son. I took the CNC class here with Luke at the Sam Buford Woodworking Institute because I wanted to learn more about CNC, as I may try to buy my own CNC machine, and I wanted to kind of dip my hands into it a little bit to see if it's something that would further interest me and maybe even take some classes. And now I'm taking classes for CNC at Monroe County Community College, and maybe someday I'll look into investing in my own machine and taking my expertise a little further. My favorite memory would have to be the moment that I realized other people were coming to me here at the wood shop for advice on their projects. There's a lot of experience here and a lot of older gentlemen, and they trust me for my advice and often seek it out. And it makes me feel good about what I bring to the table, and just being able to help out others. It helps build camaraderie and just builds a great atmosphere here at the wood shop.